Welcome everyone to the 2023 NFL Fan Experience. I'm Michael Radin.
And I'm Jeffrey Hinkle.
And we're going to take you through a day in the life of a typical NFL draft prospect.
Yeah, from running the 40-yard dash all the way down to how your footballs are made. We're going to take you around the fan experience and show you what it's all about.
So let's get started and let's go have some fun.
First off is the 40-yard dash. This is where NFL draft prospects make it or break it in the combine. Let's see what I got. Like a little flip at the end there. Let's go, 4-2.
All right guys, welcome to the vertical test. This is where you're gonna test your athleticism and see how high you can jump.
Oh.
I think I beat Saquon Barkley's record.
Now onto the bench press, where burly O-linemen like me can show off some of their strength. They usually rep 225, so let's see if I can do it. I think 5's a pretty good number.
Welcome everyone to the 2022 NFL Draft. Here you'll live out your dream of getting picked by your favorite NFL team. Oh, looks like we got the first pick coming in. With the first pick of the 2022 NFL Draft, the Green Bay Packers select Jeffrey Hinkle, a defensive lineman, 240 pounds from Arizona State University.
Green Bay all day, baby. Green Bay all day. If you go upstairs, you'll find the field goal kicking, or as we like to call it, the punting, because we can't find a T. But do you have what it takes to be an NFL kicker / punter? Let's see. Better than the Cowboys kicker.
Guys, to the last obstacle in your draft prospect. Here, you're gonna act like Tom Brady if you can compete as one of the best QBs in the NFL. Ready, set.
We're here at the Wilson Ball Making Experience, where they teach you how to make a football, whether that be the footballs you see any given Sunday, or on this occasion, the specialty footballs for Super Bowl 57. The logo on one side, and then if you turn it around, Kansas City, Philadelphia. Let's take a little bit of a tour of the facility here. We come over here. This is the stitching station. This is where the ball stays intact so that it doesn't come apart when somebody tries to throw it or somebody tries to catch it. Very important station over here. We walk over to here. This is the inflation station. This is where your balls get nice and firm. This is where they don't deflate. They make sure that the laces are also in the ball correctly. The inflation station. We walk over to here. This is the steamer station. This is where the leather gets loose enough where somebody can grip it, and it makes the ball a little bit more tacky. So that's the Wilson Ball Making Experience here at the Super Bowl Fan Experience.
All right, everyone, congratulations on making it through the draft process.
And all that hard work, all that dedication definitely paid off, because guess what? Now you're on the field. And until next time, I'm Jeffrey.
I'm Michael.
Congratulations on making it to the NFL.
And we'll see you next time from Super Bowl 57. These lights are blinking in our face. We're gonna get around as you're gonna be an athlete in the NFL. Blah, 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 blah.
First off is the 40-yard dash. This is where NFL draft
Guys, welcome to the vertical test. We're here, we're gonna test your athleticism and see how high you can jump. Maybe you can a little bit.
Onto the bench press. Now onto the bench press. This is where the O-lineman can show some of their strength. Oh, wow. Wait, hold on.
Let's do it Aussie style.
Oh, no.
All right, guys. All right, everyone. Oh, God. All right, everyone. Congratulations on making it through. All right, everyone. Congratulations.
On the field. So, now you're on the field. And all that hard work and all the entire... Whoa, hold on. All that hard work. I'm Jeffrey.
I'm Michael.
And congratulations on making it to the NFL. See you guys later.
Oh.
About our sponsor, MyWhistlebox. MyWhistlebox is a doubly encrypted service that allows you to keep your private information safe and exchange information securely between parties. MyWhistlebox offers you e-signatures, privacy, notes, whistle pages, a ton of other cool features, any better alternative than email. So if you're using email to send or receive private information, stop and start using MyWhistlebox. Sign up today to get started with your free account. No payment required. There's no reason to not start today. Happy whistling.